Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And thanks for showing interest in my 14-day jump rope challenge. I'm really excited to share with you what I found so far in case you're thinking or you're looking for a cardio workout that's effective and one that you can do at home. I started off with an achievable goal. My first day, I did 300 skips, which was challenging, don't get me wrong, but it was manageable. So the next day, it wasn't so hard to imagine doing 100 more. So that's what helped keep me motivated because each day I was going a little bit further than the day before, and each day I was surprised to see that I could. Another thing that I found to be helpful for my jump rope challenge was to count as opposed to time my jumps. I knew that I would simply obsess about the time if I were to say jump for 10 or 20 minutes. Whereas with counting my jumps, it helped to keep me mindful and present and aware of what I was doing. Another thing to consider, probably the most important thing in fact, is the type of rope. The type of jump rope really matters. If you have a rope at home, simply go ahead and use it. But if you're looking for something that's a little bit more challenging, I really consider a cross rope. Before I go any further, I'd just like to say that this video is not at all sponsored. I'm simply sharing my own experience. The reason I found this rope to be really beneficial is because it's weighted. It's not only weighted in the handles, but it's weighted throughout. So this is a 1/4 pound weighted rope. And when you purchase a cross rope, it comes in a package of 2. So it comes with a 1/4 pound rope and a 1/2 pound rope. So thank you so much for letting me share this information with you. Before I go, I want to remind you of 3 things. Start where you are with what you have. Always stretch before you start each jump. And the most important thing is to have fun. Jump roping is fun. Remember that, because that's what it's all about, friends. I hope you found this information beneficial. If you have, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and keep on watching because I'll be posting the results of my 14-day jump rope transformation with before and after pictures.